Alright, quick update here. Did an oil change, got new trans filter, oil filter, fan belt, and finished up the brakes here. Got a new cylinder, new seals, new brake line I had to make right here because that was all messed up back there. It was broken, rusted. Drum brakes, just like anything else. I mean, it's similar to any 80s Toyota pickup or any car probably. Got everything cleaned up, all the springs back in their places. I'm going to put the drum on and bolt the axle in, and then I'll change the master cylinder, which is up here, all rusted out. Got a brand new one. Fill it with fluid, and then we'll do a vacuum bleed. That's the best way of bleeding the brakes. Don't have to pump the pedal or anything. And then this seal, got a new one in there. These I just kind of roughed up. I mean, I'm not going to dick around with replacing the whole thing or getting it machined. I mean, it'll be fine. The old drums, the pads are basically falling off the metal portion. The bottom was seized. That adjuster was seized up originally. Yeah, so that's about it. We're going to get back together, and then we're going to do the muffler, remove the counterweight, and then change the muffler. And then these guys I got loose. I don't know if this is on a video, but I torched them red hot and then pulled them out when they were cold. This will be another day. These seals, I got the seal kit for those. But with everything loose now, it shouldn't be a problem to pull these off and then replace the seals. It's not bad. So that is it for this portion, part 2 of the brakes. Obviously, you just want to install the drum so it's just barely tight. Same process on a car. So you can still spin it, but it's not super loose. That's about it. So stay tuned for the next video.